One of the new features in the DG800 and DG900 series waveform generators from Regal is sequence mode. We find it here in the Advanced menu under Sequence. What sequence mode allows us to do is to combine different types of waveforms and different waveform levels to really create complete complex waveform types like you might use in a manufacturing environment or a high-speed test environment, whether you're testing biological, chemical, or electronic samples. The ability to quickly switch between signal types is critical to throughput and evaluation of those test processes. Let's see how it works. We can go in and set both a signal type from either our standard signals and a period, or more complex signals like arbitrary waves. Here, we'll go ahead and select an arbitrary wave and a sync function. We can also additionally select DC levels or other signal types between these. In this mode, let's go ahead and set a waveform with one sinusoidal period, two square wave periods, three ramp periods, four arbitrary sync function periods, and then a DC level between. Now we can also set the sample rate, the output rate, up to about 60 megasamples. Today, let's just do 1 megasample per second. So each of those waves has 8,000 points in it, so we can combine them and articulate them in different ways and add our own arbitrary waves to make it even more complicated. So on the oscilloscope, we can see all these waves next to each other. We're triggering on a signal with our sine, square, ramp, and then arbitrary waves, and then DC level in between. And you can see it repeating then from there. So really, the ability to combine different types of signals with gaps in between, timing, arbitrary waves, as well as the sync functions to synchronize the generator with other test devices makes it great for manufacturing and sample testing in a variety of industries and environments.